right, so I got a few new customers today, just a couple. Say aloha to everyone.
Follow me on Instagram at Julianne Kim.
Ruthless out here, huh? With the shameless plugs. Shameless plugs. Okay, so I gotta finish hacking these coconuts for them. And yeah, you wanna just go ahead and film? Go for it. You can just get it.
Can I like turn this around so I can see?
Yeah. No.
Really?
No, you're good. So like just.
Professional vlogger.
Yeah. So first nut.
Your mic.
Who's in there?
We'll take it. How is it?
It's good.
Nice.
It's very good. Have you been to Norway? Cinematic shot. Norway? Someone go.
No, I've been to
Can I try?
Austria, Österreich.
Yeah.
Can I try?
What? Get in there. Yeah, you.
Is that one ours? Okay.
Wait, I've never seen it. I've never seen coconuts like this.
How much is it?
This one's cold. That's 7.
What is that?
Does anyone want a cold one?
I will. Yeah, okay, no. Yeah.
We want to.
Here, I'll just sit over.
So somebody has to keep filming. Someone's got to do the filming.
I'm gonna set your mic
like a vlogger.
Okay.
the funniest thing I've ever heard.
What's up, you guys? Yes.
Yeah, pretend you're me. But I guess you haven't watched any of the episodes yet, so you wouldn't know. But it's Jesse, so Jesse.
Okay, wait.
So right now he is just hacking that coconut.
Jesse.
Yeah, and then type in LIVN,
Wow.
and then Live and Flow will pop up.
That.
Alright, whose is this?
We're asking if it's a cold enough.
Yeah.
Can we have a fresh
Get in
one?
there.
Should we get places to like this? I don't have service right now.
LIVN and then Flow. FLOW.
And then okay.
Yeah, there's no service. You have negative service or anything?
Texas, no.
So do you just like move different places and live there for a while?
Yeah, pretty much. That's how it's worked.
Don't start.
That's what she said. Rufus?
Faktisk plassert oss i
kameravinkel.
Oh yes. Og det skjer.
Wow. How many customers do you get every day?
Well, I think if I count all of you, that's more than I've had today. So.
Did you see us stopping for a little and then...
Yeah, you slowed down, you were like, nah. And then you hit the U-turn. I was like, oh shit, are they really gonna come? It's like, I'm gonna have to work.
Yeah, we drove by, and then we drove by again, and then I was like, can't stop.
Oh, this is brutal. No, we don't have any mangoes right now. It's not season. Yeah, unfortunately.
There's no fruit in there.
Who else wants to record? Who else wants to have like a experience of this?
You gotta film your friends. Go like.
Oh, okay.
Got a fresh coconut here.
How do you like it?
It's really good.
It's really big.
Everyone come to this fruit stand.
These people.
You should get a Norwegian flag. That's weird.
Dude, this is all. It was It was from
Very
the World
cute.
Cup, so if your team's not here, then it's not.
Marianne, how do you like it?
Oh my goodness, I look rough.
Oh, stop it. Can I take a sip?
I'm loving this. Right.
Sippy poo.
So, where are you all from?
Ah, it's so good.
Canada.
This is probably the most random.
That's why I do know.
That's ice
Yeah,
cream.
I
West
just like staying in the bathroom that one time.
What is ice cream?
Whatever.
Dude, it's awesome. Just
Does it taste like ice cream?
You can whip it open. So just like peel it back, and inside there's like this super soft fibrous stuff that's like.
Oh, oh my goodness. I didn't know. Wait, how much is it?
Hey! You can just have it.
Huh?
Well, it's just $1, so like.
This thing?
What is that?
Might as well.
I want a little piece of it.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah. Can I try that with you?
Hey, here's your $1.
Can I just pay
What did
you?
you just buy?
Yeah.
What did you just buy?
And
Something
A banana. An ice cream bean?
birthday banana. Oh, an ice cream.
A birthday banana, is that what you just said?
So, like, what? Why all over the world? What are you guys?
We're
like,
at school
a softball
here.
team or
With
something?
YWAM. You know what YWAM is?
YWAM. I know what YWAM is.
Yeah. How like an hour and a half away.
I don't have to. I'm just doing it as soon as I can.
And then she just, so, are you like a vlogger just doing some cool things? Just like, what's your aim?
Dude, my whole aim is just to really to inspire people and also just like I have a ton of fun
Hi.
making these videos. They're super cool. Yeah. I can show you guys one.
Excuse me?
Huh? No, so spit out the seeds and then just eat the rest.
You should take us around like on an island tour. So we can
I was not impressed.
How do you like your pineapple?
Yeah, I can take it.
How do you like your
It's very good. I've never had fresh coconut before.
That's so nice.
It's delicious.
I'm gonna take it up as.
Look at these cute bananas.
You know,
You didn't have to film us when we were taking photos.
But it was nice.
is that a durian? Durian?
Jackfruit. It's the stuff that tastes like the
Ugh.
fruit gum.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. It's not ripe yet though, otherwise I would totally get you guys some.
I don't think I was supposed to eat what I just ate.
What is this? Do we have another coconut?
That's good.
They're huge freaking dude. I've like never had coconuts this huge
I like
ever.
this. Wait, what is this?
Ice cream bean.
I don't think I'm eating the right part. What part do we eat?
That. Put that in your mouth.
Oh yeah, that's better than I was eating.
What the hell? Whose was this?
Another coconut?
No. Somebody. Thought someone handed me this just now.
Oh, that was me. Sorry.
This was your guys' coconut?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god, I have to give you another coconut.
No, that's fine. It's fine. So what? Why is it bad?
No, it's just the tiniest one ever. The meat's all fine. It's super good still. I mean,
Can I?
oh yeah. I have a scooper though. Hold on.
Okay.
You don't have to be all savage about it.
Is that what else with a vlog?
Take a video for my vegan sister.
Being a vlogger's kind of hard.
Yeah.
Being a vlogger's kind of hard.
Take a video of me eating this.
Dude, this island's filled with vegans. Here, you people who got the tiny one,
Yeah.
you can have another one.
Oh, but it's another. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm almost dry.
All right, here, I'll take this. All right, so I got choke chopped up. Do you guys want pineapples or bananas or anything?
How much are the pineapples?
The pineapples are 10 fully chopped up and everything, ready to go.
Most awesome place in the actual world. Y'all gotta come.
Oh, you heard it
Highly
here.
recommend.
I like it.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Heard about it. You gotta know the Hawaiian one. It's the chehu.
The chehu.
Yeah, you ready?
Le chehu. Okay, right. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! That was awesome.